To set up AiSensy app or automation in your website, first we need to install AiSensy app. For this, go to Manage Apps and then install AiSensy app. Now to set up automation, first we need to sign up on AiSensy official website. Or click Sign Up for free. It will redirect to AiSensy official website. Then log in here, and if you don't have any account, click on Sign Up option. Now here, create your account. After account creation, we will connect AiSensy with JoonWeb. Here we need to enter AiSensy API key. For API key, click on Manage option here. Click on API key option. Now copy or regenerate your key. Then paste this API under JoonWeb API key field. Now click on Connect Account button. API key has been saved and account connected successfully. To create AiSensy message template, first, you need to live your WhatsApp Business API. To live WhatsApp Business API, click on Apply Now button. Click on Continue with Facebook option. Here, log in your Facebook Business Suite where you select your business assets to share with AiSensy. Select your business portfolio and click on Next. Now here, enter your business information for new asset, like name, category, and etc. Now add your WhatsApp phone number. Here we will enter a new WhatsApp number, a number with which an account has not been created on WhatsApp yet. Then verify the number. Now confirm the details you are sharing with AiSensy. Click on Finish option. Your WhatsApp Business API is live successfully. After your WhatsApp Business API verification, now we will create AiSensy message template. To create AiSensy message template, click on Manage option. Now here, select Template Message, then click on New option. Here, select Template Categories, then select Template Language. You can also generate your template with AI. Here, enter your template name, then select your template type. You can also enter template header, it's optional. Here, enter or create your template format. Remember, these variables are sample values. After formatting, now specify sample values to your parameters. These values can be changed at the time of sending. You can also see a preview of your template message. Now click on Submit button. Template successfully submitted for approval. It will approved in few hours or in few days. After template approval, we need to create AiSensy campaign. Click on Campaign option, then click on Launch button. Here select API campaign option. Here enter your campaign name. Now here we will select the template that we have created for this campaign. Then click on Set Live button. You can also test the campaign to check it. It's working. To set up automation in AiSensy, open AiSensy app in JoonWeb. Here click on Automation option, then create your automation. Enter your automation name. Then select the JoonWeb event that will trigger this automation. Now here, we will enter the same campaign name which we had created. Then select the status. Now here, add variables to pass dynamic data from JoonWeb event to AiSensy campaigns. For example, in our message template, we have set the first variable as customer name and the second variable as order ID. Means, here we will define our variables as to which fields should be there, which keep changing dynamically. Now, save the settings. Now let's make an order to check automation is triggering or not. It's triggered successfully.